So today we're going to be working on some upholstery on my boat. This upholstery's pretty old and it's been on here for a while. Some of it's busted and some of it's just downright ridiculous looking. Scandalous, as my grandma would say. So if you look here, this is it's on there correct, but I don't like how this hangs over so far. I'm gonna I'll probably cut about 1 inch or so back on that, just to give myself a little more walking room here. So today we're gonna be trying not to sweat so much. It is really hot today. I hope y'all ain't sweating as bad as I am, because man, it is hot. This upholstery right here is pretty damaged. It's pretty shot. Like I said, I was gonna cut about 1 inch off at one side. So I'm just gonna freehand it. It's a boat. It ain't like you gotta be perfect on anything. I'm the only one really gonna see it. When you're cutting this foam, you need a kind of like a serrated knife. Some kind of serrated knives. I don't know how well you can see that. It's something, and you're gonna just kind of go slow. Just kind of dig into it slow, like you're scoring it. Just go a little bit at a time. Like you're cutting a loaf of bread, kind of. Just seeing that fits. I'll put it about where it should be. Once I get the pusher on, that's about it. And I think it looks fine. I'll use that piece. I tear the other side. I tear this side apart and just mark that piece of wood and cut it. And that way I have two identical.
You already pulled the things out, huh? Did you already pull it?
I got some reinforcements. Go ahead. See what you got there. Put your foot closer to it. Put your foot closer. There you go.
Mosquito!
I'm raising mosquitoes, in case anybody wanted to know. There you go, get it. It's the last one right here. Get it.
No. Oops.
You got it, boy. Look at that.
You said look at my fingers.
You can get it all. Let's get it. I ain't paying you for nothing. Almost. Yeah, flip it over. Get it on out of there. Hey, like it. Yeah, you got this now. Boy, look at that.
Okay.
What are you gonna do now? Just let it eat?
I'm done now.
Ever since I started using these pliers, it works a lot easier. Just get it and twist it. Grab a hold of that staple, twist it, comes right out. So you could possibly need a smaller screwdriver shove up under there to pry it up, or just dig up under it, wiggle it, comes out. Some of them's a little more stubborn than others, but it works pretty good. Let's try it again. Sadie wants me to throw the ball to her. You gonna catch it? Here we go. Catch it. Maybe not. Come on. All right, here we go. You ready? Here it goes. Up, catch. Oh, she snatched it up then. Come on. All right, here we go. Catch it. Go get it. Oh, she got it a little bit. Last one. This will be the front that everybody sees, and it's got a little bit of wrinkles here, but looks fine to me. Fine and dandy. Let's put this thing on there and take a look at it. A little work, a little bit of hard work, hot work, and a little bit of dedication. We can put some wrinkles in anything. Any piece of upholstery, we can put some wrinkles in it, baby. So that's one part of it. It's got a little bit of wrinkle there, but I think anything you do is probably gonna have a wrinkle in it. For old, look at that wrinkle. Yeah, you sit down on it, you won't even notice it. I didn't get that one real tight. That's the one. That's the last one I just got done working on. It's got a little bit of wrinkle there. I think it sets just fine. First ones I done, it got some wrinkles in it. Here's the other one. So from here's a wrinkle. Them are the first two I've done, and they don't look too good. But I got plenty to redo them if I want to redo them. But you know my motto, I'm just gonna let her eat, boys, let her eat. Rained on these a couple times, and I checked under them and picked them up. No water getting through. Everything looks good. All in all, I think I got about 150 bucks in this, maybe. For myself, I think it's just fine. I probably got 2, 4, maybe 6 hours, maybe. So if you like what I do and you want to try to save some money for yourself, go out and purchase some materials and let it eat. If it don't look good, let it eat. Hell, if it looks good then, let it eat then. We got a cloudy day. We're gonna probably go out in a couple weeks on this thing. Test her out. I hadn't tested it out yet, so we'll see you next time, and I appreciate you guys watching.